Imagine this. You walk into your office, and before you even open your laptop, an AI has already analyzed your sales, predicted next month's revenue, and suggested what product will trend next week. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, that's not the distant future. That's 2026 knocking on your door. In just a couple of years, companies won't just use AI, they'll depend on it for their very survival. We're talking about AI-powered business intelligence tools that are already starting to replace the work of entire teams of analysts. These systems are getting scarily good at predicting human decisions before they even happen. Think about how Amazon seems to know exactly what you'll buy next, or how small businesses can now forecast their profit margins with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't just about spreadsheets and charts anymore. AI is fundamentally rewriting the playbook for business strategy. Stay with me, because in just a minute, I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on the same kind of AI tools that Fortune 500 companies are using right now to get ahead. This is a game changer for anyone looking to compete in the new economy. So, what's the secret sauce? What makes these new tools so powerful? It's simple. They don't just show you data. They think like seasoned business consultants. They connect to all your real-time data sources, your sales, your website traffic, your social media mentions, and they analyze it all, 24/7. They track subtle shifts in customer behavior and can even recommend specific marketing moves to capitalize on a new trend. Imagine running your company with a digital brain that never sleeps, never gets tired, never just guesses, and never ever forgets a single detail. It's like having a team of experts on call around the clock. If you're finding this breakdown as mind-blowing as I am, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment AI Future down below so I know you're ready for more deep dives like this. Now here's the twist that most people get wrong. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to upgrade them. In 2026, the most successful business leaders won't necessarily be the ones with fancy MBAs or decades of experience. They'll be the ones who are masters at talking to AI. They'll know how to ask the right questions, how to prompt an AI agent to get the most valuable insights. You'll literally be able to ask your system, "Hey AI, what's my next blockbuster product?" And it will run millions of simulations in a matter of seconds to give you the answer. Your AI will become your ultimate strategy partner, your instant financial advisor, and your on-demand creative director, all rolled into one. It frees you up to do what humans do best: lead, create, and connect. And wait until you hear which tool is already doing this in its beta testing phase. It's absolutely insane. One of the platforms leading this revolution is a tool called Tableau GPT. This represents a completely new generation of AI-driven business intelligence. It doesn't just create charts, it predicts outcomes, visualizes complex data in a way anyone can understand, and then explains its findings in plain English. There's no coding required, no need to hire a team of data analysts. It's a direct line from data to insight to action. And this is just the very beginning. We are on the cusp of an era where your most profitable business decisions will be recommended to you before you even sit down to think about them. The playing field is about to be completely leveled. So, the big question is, are you ready for the AI era of business? Are you prepared to adapt and thrive, or will you be left behind? If you want me to do a follow-up video breaking down exactly how you can build your own AI-powered dashboard, step by step, let me know in the comments below. If I see enough interest, that'll be our very next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, don't just work hard, work smart. This is AI Hustle Hub. I'll see you in the next one.